Hi guys and girls, welcome to my channel. It's JDCap26. We just do tips and errors and hobbies. And I'm going to show you how to click on to subscribe in this video and just follow along. That's next. Okay, so you saw the instructions in the description. I hope you read. Once you get to a video, you click on a video, say like this one for the repair of the rack. I'm just
Tonight's dinner? It's
gonna
gonna be great.
And so the video will start, and sometimes you have to watch the ad, or you can skip the ad. But right here is the subscribe button. You just click that, and you can subscribe to my channel, and you'll get notifications through email when I post a new video. It's pretty easy. Down here, you can share the video with somebody else if you'd like, by email or text, which is great. And there's the thanks button. If the video helped you a lot, you can hit thanks. So that's how you do it. And I hope this explains how to use YouTube and subscribe and sign up. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.